Everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe, okay, and click on that bell so that each time I upload a new video it will come straight to you. I upload new videos every week, okay, and on this channel we do food and mukbang. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. So guys, if you watch my video and you like my video, please always help me to like the video. Click on the thumbs button, click on that like button, okay, because it helps YouTube to recommend my video. So guys, today I'll be showing you on how to make a very sweet Nigerian fried rice that will not easily go bad. So if you want to know how I make this deliciousness you are seeing right here, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients to you. So guys, these are all I'll be using to prepare my fried rice. I have my liver here, I have my chicken here, I have my carrots, my red pepper, yellow pepper, and green pepper. Here I have my onion. I have my chicken seasoning. I have my seasoning cube, my sauce, and here I have my green habanero pepper. So guys, we'll start now by seasoning our chicken. To that, I'm going to be adding in the washed chicken in the pot. I'll be going in with my ginger and garlic paste, chopped onions, chicken seasoning. I'll be adding in chicken seasoning, I'll go in with my green habanero pepper, seasoning cube, I'll be adding in salt, oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can make use of thyme, curry powder, I'm going to give this a very good mix. I'm going to mix it until the chicken is well mixed in the sauce, okay, in the seasonings. I'm going to give it a very good mix. Then I will cover the pot and allow the chicken to steam. The steaming should take about 5 minutes. I'll let it steam until the chicken brings out its own juice. So guys, I will cover the pot now and allow the chicken to steam. I'll be adding in water now. As you can see, the chicken has brought out its own juice, so I'll be going in with some water, enough to cook the chicken. I'm going to mix and then cover and let it cook. Guys, if you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me to click on the subscribe button, okay? So guys, as you can see, our chicken is well cooked and I'm going to start cooking our rice now. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you love my video, okay? Do not forget to click on that like button. Give me a sweet comment in the comment section, okay? So in the same pot, I'm going to be adding in some amount of oil. I will allow the oil to heat up and then I'll go in with my chopped onion. I'm going to stir this. I'll add in my ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to stir everything together. I'll go in with my curry powder. I'll add in my pepper. Please guys, go in with the amount of pepper you can take, okay? I'll go in now with my seasoning cube. I'm using raw chicken. I'm going to mix everything together, cover the pot and allow to fry for some minutes. So guys, I'll be going in now with my rice already washed. I'm going to toast this rice for about 4 minutes. So guys, I'll be going in now with my chicken stock. I'm not going to stir it much. I'll just mix it a little and then cover and allow the rice to cook. So our rice is fully cooked, and guys, we'll proceed now to making the fried rice, okay? If you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, in a dry pan, add this amount of oil, just a little oil, okay? I'll be going in now with my onions. I'm going to stir these onions very well. Then I'll go in with my ginger and my garlic paste. Add in that ginger and garlic, okay? Add that garlic, add that ginger. I'm going to give this a very good mix. I'll go in now with my liver. Guys, there is no fried rice without liver, okay? There's no Nigerian fried rice without liver. I'll be going now with my carrots. I'm going to stir and fry for some few seconds before adding in my bell pepper. So guys, I'll be adding in my bell pepper, my yellow pepper, green pepper, and my red bell pepper. I'll be seasoning it with some salt. Please go easy with your seasonings. Remember, your stock have seasonings and your rice too, so you have to go easy with your seasoning so you don't end up with salty fried rice. I'm going to stir this very well. Allow to fry for 2 minutes because I don't want the vegetable to be soggy. I still want this vegetable to retain that crunchiness when I'm eating my rice. Guys, you can add in sweet corn, okay? I didn't have sweet corn at home, that's why I did not add it. But if you have sweet corn, if you want sweet corn, you can add it at this point. Alright, you can add it when you're adding your carrots. So I'm going to mix this very well, and then I'll be going in with my rice. I'll be adding my rice now. So guys, I'm going to mix this rice very well until everything is mixed, until the rice is well mixed with the veggies. Guys, our fried rice is ready. Look at what we have here. So colorful, so yummy, and super delicious. If you have watched me at this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, if you have watched up to this point, guys, and you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, okay? If you watch my videos and you like my video, please always help me to click on that like button, okay? And do not forget to leave a very sweet comment for me in the comment section. All right, our fried rice is ready. This fried rice came out so yummy, guys, so yummy. Like, thank you so much for watching. Till I come here next time. Bye.